Hi, I'm Gary at Queen City Auto Body, family owned and operated for over 30 years. We want to thank you for helping us to be recognized as 2018 Best of Surveys Best Auto Body Shop in Manchester. Queen City Auto Body was also the 2019 winner for the Best Top Rated Local Businesses, the only auto body shop to be recognized in the top 100 businesses in New Hampshire. Again, we want to thank you for your support and look forward to continuing to serve you with excellence. Come on in for a free estimate. It takes just a few minutes. It's absolutely free. No appointment needed. Go ahead, check us out online, and contact us today. You won't be disappointed.